Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Suburban key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. This method allows you to add new remotes or reprogram old ones efficiently. The entire process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the initial setup inside your vehicle. To begin, sit inside your Suburban and ensure all doors are securely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Now, quickly turn the key from the OFF position to the RUN position 5 times within 5 seconds. This rapid sequence activates the programming mode. You should hear a chime or the door lock cycle, indicating successful entry into programming mode. This confirms your vehicle is ready for the next step. Once in programming mode, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the unlock and lock buttons on the remote. Keep holding these buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear a second chime or observe the door lock cycle again, confirming that the remote has been successfully programmed. Repeat this exact step for any additional key fobs you need to program. After programming all your key fobs, turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This action will exit the vehicle's programming mode. Remove the key from the ignition. Now, it is crucial to test each programmed key fob to ensure it functions correctly. Check the lock, unlock, and any other buttons. If any remote does not work, simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.